So creatives, are you ready? November is coming up. I know that NaNoWriMo is really for writers, but the fact is that any creative can use this as a jolt to get you moving. What is the point of it? Well, National Novel Writing Month is about writing every day. Crazy concept, right? And if you use their system, you will have a 50,000 word novel at the end of the month, which is fantastic. As you know, we here at Create It 22 know that's not always possible. What often happens is we start doing it, we can't keep up with 1,600 words a day, and we give up. That ain't happening this year. Whatever art you do, whatever your medium is, I want to challenge you to join me for it this time around. We are going to change that goal marker. It is not going to be 1,600 words a day. I mean, if you can do that, do that. Fantastic. But if you can't, still do something. How much can you draw a day? How much can you draw on a bad day? On those days where you're exhausted and you're getting home from work and you can just think in single syllable sentences. That day, that level is what your bar is going to be. Why? Because you can step over it. If you set your bar at a level that you can step over every single day, then you will. Crazy concept, I know. And I'm going to encourage you to go beyond that bar, of course. If your limit is, when I'm really dead tired, I've got one sentence in me. Okay, that's your bar. Do one sentence every single day. And if you find you can do 80 sentences, 100 sentences, 8,000 words, by all means, do it. But every single day, you still step over that bar. November is such a good chance to get yourself out of block. Creative, join me. I do not care what your medium is. You can join me in this. Let's have fun. Let's do this together. And by the end of November, have a habit of creation that nothing can break. Join me. I'm right alongside you. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.